Hello and welcome to the 6th episode of Global Exam Insider, where we are diving into the exciting world of exams like IELTS, TOEFL, GMAT, GRE, SAT and Duolingo. All these acronyms that leave your head spinning, but fear not, we are here to share the secrets on how to ace these exams and make your study abroad dreams a reality. Today we are focusing on sentence patterns that can boost your IELTS score beyond 8 band. So, let's get started. Think of sentence patterns as the building blocks of your writing. They're not just grammatical must-haves, but your toolkit for constructing clear, compelling and high-scoring IELTS writing essays. Let's discuss some of the sentence patterns now. The first one is the classic compound sentence. It's straightforward. You can take two complete ideas, join them with a comma and a conjunction, and voila, you've got a sentence that packs a punch. For example, the team prepared the presentation thoroughly and their performance showed their effort. Moving on to the next one, which is the advanced complex sentence. This one's all about depth. Start with a dependent clause, add a dash of subordinating conjunction and finish with an independent clause. It's how you can show to the examiner that you mean business. Like this: even though the budget was limited, the project was completed on time. Another one is the compound complex sentence, where things get really interesting. Combine a compound and a complex sentence and there you have a sophisticated structure that screams high band score. Take a look. The company is expanding its operations overseas, and as it does so, it faces new regulatory challenges. Now, for a bit of drama, let's talk about inversion for emphasis. Flip your usual order of sentence to highlight what's important. It's a simple trick that can make a big impact. Here's what I mean. Rarely we have encountered such a challenging scenario. Ever wondered about alternative paths? That's where the conditional hypothetical comes in. It's perfect for those what-if scenarios and shows off your ability to speculate with style. For instance, if I had known about the meeting, I would have attended. Consistency is key with the parallel structure. Line up your ideas in a neat row using the same grammatical format. It's pleasing to the eye and the mind. Check this out. The seminar teaches students to analyze critically, think creatively, and write clearly. Variation in voice lets you play around with focus. Switch between active and passive to highlight either the action or the recipient. It's all about what you want the reader to pay attention to. Like so, the new policy was introduced by the government. Next, we have rhetorical questions. They aren't really seeking answers, they are there to engage and provoke thought. Use them wisely to keep your reader hooked and thinking. Here's a classic. Who wouldn't want to live in a world where peace prevails? And last but not the least is the contrastive conjunction. Not only but also, this lets you add an extra layer to your point, showing you're not just a one-trick pony. For example, not only did she finish her work on time, but she also helped her colleagues. And there you have it, folks, 9 powerful sentence patterns to elevate your IELTS writing. We hope you found this video useful and understood some key aspects of the test. Remember, preparation is the name of the game. If you have any doubts regarding the IELTS, feel free to ask us in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel to catch the latest episodes of the Global Exam Insider.